Why should you care about your digestive fire? Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever eaten a meal and felt like it's just sitting there, like a heavy rock in your stomach? Or maybe you've dealt with gas, bloating, or even nutrient deficiencies, despite eating what seems like a healthy diet? The truth is, poor stomach acid production is often the hidden culprit behind these issues. In fact, low stomach acid or hypochlorhydria is surprisingly common, especially in adults over 40, people under chronic stress, or those who frequently use antacids. In places like the US, UK, and Canada, busy lifestyles, fast food culture, and chronic stress make this problem even worse. Understanding digestive fire, more than just a metaphor. So what exactly is this digestive fire? In holistic traditions like Ayurveda, digestive fire or Agni is a metaphor for your body's ability to break down food efficiently. From a Western medical perspective, this mostly points to hydrochloric acid, HCl, production in your stomach. Stomach acid plays a critical role in breaking down proteins into usable amino acids, absorbing key nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and magnesium, killing harmful pathogens that enter with your food, activating digestive enzymes. Without enough stomach acid, your body struggles at every level of digestion. Think of it like this: trying to digest food with low stomach acid is like trying to cook dinner over a cold stove. Nothing happens efficiently, and you're left with a half-done mess. Common signs you may have low stomach acid. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if I'm affected? Here are some common signs that your digestive fire might need a boost. Bloating or gas shortly after eating. Frequent burping or belching. Heartburn, yes, surprisingly, low stomach acid can cause this too. Feeling full for hours after a meal. Undigested food in your stool. Nutrient deficiencies, like iron or B12. Chronic fatigue. If any of these sound familiar, keep watching, because we're about to explore natural, science-backed ways to reignite your digestive fire. Causes of weak digestive fire. Before we jump into solutions, it's important to understand what weakens your stomach acid in the first place. Chronic stress: when your body is stuck in fight or flight mode, it shuts down digestion. Your brain tells your stomach, not now, we're in survival mode. Poor eating habits, eating too fast, overeating, or mindlessly snacking can disrupt stomach acid production. Aging: natural stomach acid production tends to decline as we get older. Frequent antacid use: while antacids provide short-term relief for heartburn, long-term use can lower stomach acid even further. Diet choices: a highly processed, low-nutrient diet can slow down digestion and reduce acid production. Now that you know the enemies of digestive fire, let's talk about how to rebuild it. Natural ways to boost stomach acid production. At Health Haven, we believe in small, practical changes that fit into your real life. You don't need a complete lifestyle overhaul, just a few consistent steps can make a big difference. 1. Start with mindful eating. It might sound simple, but how you eat is just as important as what you eat. Slow down. Take a few deep breaths before meals. Look at your food, smell it, and appreciate it. This isn't just fluffy advice. Scientific research shows that the cephalic phase of digestion, where your brain signals your stomach to start producing acid, begins before you even take a bite. So next time you sit down to eat, put away your phone, avoid stressful conversations, and really focus on your meal. 2. Try apple cider vinegar before meals. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a favorite home remedy for a reason. Dilute 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it 15 to 20 minutes before your meals. Why it helps? The acidity of ACV can give your stomach a little extra help while signaling it to produce more acid naturally. Important note: if you have ulcers, gastritis, or severe acid reflux, skip this tip or consult your healthcare provider first. 3. Incorporate digestive bitters. Bitter foods have been used for centuries to stimulate digestion. In the US, UK, and Canada, bitters aren't a common part of the modern diet, but adding them back can work wonders. Foods like arugula, dandelion greens, ginger, and artichoke help activate taste receptors that signal your stomach to ramp up acid production. You can also find digestive bitters tinctures at health food stores. Just a few drops on your tongue before meals can be enough to wake up your digestive system. 4. Stay hydrated, but time it right. Yes, water is essential for health, but drinking large amounts of water right before or during meals can dilute your stomach acid. Instead, try to drink most of your fluids between meals, not during. If you need to sip something with your meal, keep it minimal. 5. Chew your food thoroughly. This might seem like obvious advice, but most of us are guilty of gulping down our meals, especially during busy workdays in the US, UK, and Canada. Chewing breaks food into smaller particles and mixes it with saliva, kick-starting digestion before the food even reaches your stomach. Aim for at least 20 to 30 chews per bite. It might feel strange at first, but your stomach will thank you. 6. Consider zinc and B vitamin intake. Both zinc and B vitamins, especially B1 and B6, play key roles in stomach acid production. If your diet is low in these nutrients, or if you've been under chronic stress, you might be at risk for deficiencies. Consider eating more foods like pumpkin seeds, shellfish for zinc, whole grains, leafy greens, lean meats. If needed, talk to a doctor about supplementing. 7. Add ginger to your meals or drink ginger tea. Ginger has long been used as a digestive aid. Scientific studies have shown that ginger can help stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, making it a great natural way to enhance stomach acid levels. Try sipping warm ginger tea before meals or adding fresh ginger slices to your dishes. 8. Avoid eating late at night. Our bodies are not designed for heavy digestion during sleep. Eating large meals close to bedtime can worsen digestive issues and make it harder for your stomach to produce acid when it's needed. Aim to finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. 9. Reduce stress. We get it, life is busy. Whether it's work deadlines, family responsibilities, or just the fast pace of modern living, stress is everywhere. But here's the truth: if you're chronically stressed, your body will down-regulate stomach acid production. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, light exercise like walking or yoga. Even just taking 5 minutes to breathe deeply before a meal can help trigger your body's relaxation response and prepare your stomach for digestion. 10. Rule out underlying health issues. If you've tried these natural methods and still struggle, it's important to check in with a healthcare provider. Conditions like H. pylori infection, autoimmune gastritis, or thyroid dysfunction can all affect stomach acid production. At Health Haven, we always recommend working with your doctor or a qualified nutritionist if symptoms persist. Additional insights: what about digestive enzymes and supplements? Some people also benefit from digestive enzyme supplements or betaine HCl, a supplement form of hydrochloric acid. However, these should only be used under professional guidance, especially if you have a history of ulcers or gastrointestinal conditions. Self-dosing can sometimes cause more harm than good. Also, remember that improving stomach acid is just one piece of the digestive puzzle. A balanced diet, gut-friendly foods, and healthy lifestyle habits all contribute to optimal digestion. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Question: can drinking lemon water help boost stomach acid? Yes, lemon water can help mildly stimulate digestion due to its acidity, though it's not as strong as apple cider vinegar. It's a good, gentle option for sensitive stomachs. Question: how long does it take to see results after making these changes? Some people notice improvements within a week or two, especially with mindful eating and dietary changes. For others, especially those with long-standing digestive issues, it may take several weeks to months. Question: is low stomach acid the same as acid reflux? Not exactly. While the symptoms can overlap, many cases of acid reflux are actually caused by too little stomach acid, leading to food sitting in the stomach too long and causing upward pressure. But always consult your doctor for a proper diagnosis.